Hello Zickers! Today I'm gonna answer a really exciting question. Is it actually possible to start dropshipping with $0? If you've been thinking about starting a dropshipping journey, whether it's to transform your life, gain financial independence, or just earn some extra cash on the side, you are in the right place. Because dropshipping is an incredible business model, especially right now. And let's face it, online shopping has become the second nature for most of us, and the e-commerce industry is just growing at this lightning speed. But here's the deal. Starting with $0 isn't entirely realistic. It's not true. Eventually, you will need to cover costs like a subscription for a store creation platform such as Shopify, some Shopify apps to boost your performance, and invest in product research tools like Zik Analytics to help you pick products based on data and not guesswork, and give you a huge advantage. We believe that it's better to start your dropshipping journey with some money. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to launch your dropshipping business while keeping your initial costs as low as possible. And trust me, it's totally doable. And I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. Most video guides out there, they will tell you to start by opening a Shopify account and then you go hunting for a winning product to sell, but we're going to do things much smarter, okay? First, we'll focus on finding a winning product or products so we can make the most out of this discounted Shopify trial period, because by the time the trial ends and it's time to pay the full subscription, you will already have sales coming in to cover your subscription costs. I think it's pretty smart, right? Now, there are two ways to find winning products. One is completely free and the other one requires a small investment that can make a huge difference. And this investment will give you access to valuable data that's impossible to find elsewhere, increasing your chances of success and helping you build a profitable dropshipping business. But before we dive into product research, we need to make sure that every product meets these essential criteria right here. First, are you passionate about the product? Does it simplify or improve someone's life? Does it have a wow factor? Is the price not easily known? Does it offer a strong profit margin? Like ideally, you want to sell it for at least 3 times the supplier price with around 70% profit margin to cover ads and marketing expenses. Is it hard to find the product in a retail store? Does it comply with Facebook ad policies? Is it safe to sell and ship? If your product checks all these boxes, then you got a winner product right there, my friend. Now, let's talk about how to actually find these products. One of the best free ways to discover winning products is by using TikTok. So first, you head to TikTok and then you type in the hashtag TikTok made me buy it. And then you click search. Now, this tag is just crazy because it's packed with products, many of which are trending right now. And guess what? Most of them are dropshipping products. So let's go down here, look at that, the amount of products that we have here. And as you can see, TikTok is full of unique ideas you can source from suppliers like AliExpress. This method is fantastic for spotting new trends, but there's one downside. It's not possible to estimate how many sales these products can generate or figure out why certain stores are so successful selling them. Method number 2 is a paid option. This is where Zik Analytics comes in. With a small investment of $1 for the first week of use, Zik Analytics can take your dropshipping business just to the next level. It answers the big questions like, for example, how successful is this product and what are the other dropshipping stores doing to make it work? Using Zik Analytics, you get access to in-depth data that helps you understand sales trend, competition, and the exact strategies successful stores are using to crush it. And trust me, this tool is a game changer. So I'm going to click here in the product finder icon, and now this is how I recommend setting up the filters to find the best products to sell in your dropshipping store. First, choose products that are sold by one product stores or dropshipping stores. Okay, so you click here like this. This narrows down the selection to items specifically geared for dropshipping success. Now, for revenue is the next move right here, this area. I want to get products that are already generating at least $800 a day in other dropshipping stores. To do this, I'm just gonna set the minimum monthly revenue to $24,000 and click search and look at the amount of products here. It's crazy. Now just scroll down. You can take your time here. There's so many good options. This one right here, look at this. You know, it's a product like in the middle of the list. It's not the first, not the second, it's not the last, but it's right here in the middle. It's just one product out of many. But this product was sold 212 times in the past 30 days, generating over $30,000 in sales. Let's just take it a step further by clicking here on the spy icon like this to learn more about the store selling this product. From what I can see is that this store is a niche dropshipping store specializing in the music boxing machine and related accessories. By analyzing the store, I can see that they are leveraging the top 3 platforms for organic advertising. So I'm talking about TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Let's take a closer look at the product itself. Okay, let's open here. It's a pretty cool product, right? It's sold for 149 euros and it comes with boxing gloves as an add-on, which is a great way to increase the perceived value and persuade customers to buy it. Here's a nice video from TikTok that shows this product in action. Look at this. It's pretty cool. Definitely like eye catcher. Since we want to keep our dropshipping expenses low, our main goal is to find products that can maximize traffic generation from free organic sources like social media. Now, I'm not saying that we're going to rely only on organic traffic, because paid ads can give your sales a significant boost and help you better understand the audience engaging with your store. But organic strategies are crucial for reducing upfront costs. So let's see if we can continue with this product. Remember the essential criteria we covered earlier? Let's check if this product matches all of them. Am I passionate about the product? Well, yes, I think it's pretty cool. Can the product improve someone's life? Definitely. It's a healthy habit, exercise, lifestyle product. So yes. Does it have a wow factor? Definitely does, because it's pretty cool. It has music, lights, and everything easy to place anywhere in the house. Is the price not easily known? Definitely. We don't know how much the value of this product is, right? Is it hard to find in retail stores? Definitely. It is difficult. Does it comply with Facebook ad policies? It does. Is it safe to sell and ship? It is. There's just one last question that we need to answer. Does this product have a strong profit margin? Ideally, we're aiming for around 70%. How do we find that out, my friends? Well, to find that out, we'll identify a supplier from AliExpress who can provide the product at a better price so we can fulfill orders profitably. I'm going to head over to the product finder tool right here in Ziggy Analytics, and I'm just going to click here, AliExpress logo. Look at that. We have many options. You have many options of exact matches to this music boxing machine. Let's go with one of them, like this one, for example. This is the exact same product that the dropshipping store is selling. And if you select a variation called C gloves for adults, I can get the same product with matching gloves, just like the store we reviewed. So basically, this is a jackpot. Let's just break down to the numbers, okay? The regular price for this product without any discounts is $52.94 with free shipping. And then if I sell this product at the same price as the store that we reviewed, I can make around $97 in profit per sale after Shopify fees and before ads and operational expenses. That's almost 70% profit margin, which is our goal. So yes, we can confidently check off the profit margin criteria. That's pretty good. Congratulations to both of us. We did it. We found a product that meets all of our criteria and offers a high profit margin. Since this video is all about creating a dropshipping business while saving costs, we need to focus on leveraging as much as possible organic social media to drive traffic. And before we decide whether to create a store exclusively for this product or sell it in a niche store or general store, we need to understand the trend and the hype around this musical boxing machine. And to do that, let's head to TikTok and check the overall buzz for this product. If we see videos with millions of views, then it's a clear sign that the product is trending and has a strong potential for getting traffic organically. So let's go to TikTok and then we search for music boxing machine. Press search. Look at this. There's so many videos with millions of views. This confirms that this product is not only trending, but also has incredible potential to drive high traffic and engagement. All right, Zickers, what do you think about this video so far? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing tips to help you build a powerful dropshipping business. And if you want to use the same tools that I've shown in this video to find winning products for your dropshipping store and skip the guesswork, you can subscribe to Zik Analytics for just $1 for the first week. Okay, so now we know that this product can perform well on social media, driving high engagement and traffic. And the main question is, how can you create a video or post that generates high traffic and converts into sales? Right? And for this, we don't need to reinvent the wheel, my friends. Since we know that the dropshipping store that we found is successfully selling this music boxing device, all we need to do is replicate their success. And by studying their best practices and creating similar videos and posts on social media, we can attract a targeted audience to our store for free, no costs, using proven insights from a successful store already selling this product. And together, these insights, I'll head back to Zig's sales tracker right here and reveal the store's social channels. And here I see that the store has 3 active social media platforms like we talked before, but let's start with TikTok. Let's click here. So from their TikTok account, I can see that they're doing quite well. For example, here's a video with over 80,000 views. Now, all I need to do is to create a similar video to this one. And in this case, a simple unboxing video and post on a TikTok account linked to our dropshipping store. This way, we can tap into the same successful strategy and start driving traffic right away. Now, let's take a look at their Instagram account. From what I see, every post gets good engagement. But the real traffic driver here is Reels. Check out their Reels. This store has clearly made a big investment in creating Reels, and it's paying off. Some of their videos have even hit millions of views, like this one right here, 6.5 million views. Let's click here. This is what I'm talking about. This shows the power of using Instagram to advertise a product like this one. And lastly, let's review their Facebook account. Let's go back here to Zik. Okay, click here, Facebook. Facebook seems to be less impactful in terms of engagement, but they're still staying consistent by posting at least 1 video a day. So look, consistency is key, and this helps them maintain visibility on multiple platforms. Now, in most cases, you will find the most engaged shoppers on TikTok. This means that you will need to create videos that match the TikTok vibe, like fun, fast-paced, and engaging. The great thing is, these videos can also be shared across other social media platforms to maximize your reach. When it comes to creating TikTok videos, you have 2 options. You can create original videos and images by purchasing the product from AliExpress and showcasing it yourself, or you can just re-edit TikTok videos and post them on your own TikTok account. But if you ask me, creating original content will always lead to best results, because being authentic and honest resonates with your audience, and unique videos and images can make your social media presence just stand out. Consider investing in your social media strategy by buying the product itself. It's a small expense that can make a big difference in building trust and engagement with your audience. So now that we have everything in place, we are ready to open a Shopify store account, right? And you can do this by using the link below to get the best trial offer that Shopify provides. The process is quite straightforward. Simply add your email address, complete the onboarding questionnaire, choose your country or business location, and you can also use the Gmail to create an account even faster. And there you go, you have it. Fast forward a little bit, but yes, that's how you own a Shopify account, okay? Now that you have your Shopify account ready to go, it's time to create your homepage and product page. And the process is straightforward. Depending on the type of store you're building, you can design a clean and appealing homepage and product page. And for inspiration, take note on the best practices from the store that you're modeling after. For your Shopify store theme, you can simply head over to the Shopify theme store, this right here, and check out the many free themes available. And I have to say that from my personal experience, free themes like Dawn can give your store a professional and attractive look. And if you're planning on just creating a one product dropshipping store, like a store dedicated to selling just one type of product, then you can watch this detailed video guide right here. I'm going to put the link here, I don't know, and also in the description, because it's a really good video that Ella did. It's everything that you need, really, all right? Because in this guide, Ella walks you through the entire process from A to Z, and even provide a free winning one product Shopify theme created by Zik Analytics to help take your store to the next level. So don't miss that out. Before I share another powerful way to gain highly targeted traffic for your dropshipping store in a cost-effective way, let me ask you, have you subscribed to our channel yet? If not, please just do it. It's perfect time. It's easy. Just go there, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video. So now that you have an established social media presence and an amazing dropshipping store selling a winning product, let me share another idea to significantly boost your store traffic and potentially your sales using a cost-effective method. These days, influencer marketing is one of the most effective ways to drive targeted traffic to your store. For example, let's stick with the product that we found, the music boxing machine, okay? The audience for this product likely includes beginner boxers, sports enthusiasts, and even people looking to lose weight or get in shape in a fun, creative way. By understanding your product's audience, you can find the right influencers to promote it, such as nutritionists or boxing instructors in this case. So it's very important to know that there are different types of influencers, such as micro-influencers. These are influencers with a smaller but highly engaged audience. And then you have the mega influencers, and these are the big names with massive following but often higher costs. For a cost-effective approach, consider working with micro-influencers. They usually have a decent follower count, strong engagement, and they are often more approachable. Now, you might ask yourself how to work with influencers. Well, simply reach out to a micro-influencer from your personal or business social media account, and then you just offer them a deal to create a video for your product and tag your store. You can pay them a flat fee, or you can negotiate percentage of the sales. And then if you choose the percentage method, here's a pro tip. Create a unique coupon code for the influencer to share their post. This allows you to track the sales generated by the influencer and measure their impact. If the results are good, you can collaborate with them again in the future. And then once you found an influencer, simply provide them with the product. You can even order it directly from AliExpress and ship it directly to them. All right, Zickers, that's the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying in and watching this video to the end. Makes me very happy. And also, as we have seen in this video, starting dropshipping with $0 isn't entirely possible. But building your dropshipping business can still be cost effective if you follow the right steps. Thank you so much for watching. Keep moving forward, and see you next time.